This is yesterday's trade. Yesterday's Asia session trade. Pretty Charlie Kirky, if you ask me. Alright, so I enter in because there's a 15-minute IV. Well, let's start on the 4 hour. So price is clearly bullish with a V-shaped recovery. Very intranactable. Um, Price literally fills this market open gap, pushes past this order block, whatever you degenerates call it, inverses down here. Then you have all these 1 hour IVGs. Price clearly wants to distribute higher. Um, and then we make this 1 hour fair value gap, which is like my little support beam. Going on a lower time frame, we have this 15-minute IVG right here. With this 15-minute IVG, market structure shift. On the 5 minute, we have market structure shift, respects this fair value gap, and then a bunch of 5 minute fair value gaps like hold my stop. I enter, price goes to my break even, it just stops me out. Funny thing, this is the last trade before my payout. Um, can't be mad about it. What happens happens. It's all meant to be in the plan of God. And if I'm literally souping this low into my stop loss, like I'm not even trying to be in that trade. Like, um, like, oh fuck. So I took the break even. I'm not mad about it. I mean, obviously, be a little more happy if I just stayed in the trade and hit TP, but break even was the smart play there and what I had written down. Since I have you guys here, maybe I'll break down how I'm gonna be looking at today's markets. Oh, we already swept London. Yeah, so it's all dependent on what I want to see from today. We are trading into this 1 hour fair value gap. I like to mark up my charts before I go to school, because then I'm not fucking around with it. But probably looking for longs to London highs. Hopefully they didn't get swept out here. Maybe an SMT down here would be very nice. SMT on these lows. Again, I'm still bullish high time frame. So knowing that, I'm gonna wait for price to tap in to this area. I'm gonna wait for price to tap in here. Hopefully we get an SMT here and then an IVG, and I'm long as fuck. I'm more long. And we have equal highs right here, or relative equal highs. Like, these are pretty relative if you ask me. Some people would disagree, but I'm not profitable and they probably are, so what can I say? Equal highs, London highs. It's a classic little draw on liquidity. Classic, little classy, little classic draw. But yeah, what would be ideal here is, you know, SMT right here, IFEG, long position with some fair value gaps down here. Bang. Cheeky 1-to-1. That gets me my payout and shit. So it's all I really care about. But I doubt we'll get that because price literally opens up in an hour and a half. So it literally needs to chutter for like a long time. But I don't know. Also, what could be pretty what could be what could happen is we open up below this fair value gap and then you're chasing previous lows, but then you need to be down you need to be down like 3% to hit TP. That's something that you should always take into consideration because sometimes you see a draw on liquidity but it's far as fuck and you don't even know. Um, but there is just this fat 4 hours, so I don't really see price going that low. I just hope that I can get in a long before price sweeps it. But yeah, basically I'm long. I'm bullish today. Hoping for an SMT here in an IVG. And then I'm in. But again, just gonna wait and see what happens. The market opens just to kind of an idea. But yeah, boys, I'll see y'all around.